How to log into your Amazon Flex account. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to simply log into your Amazon Flex account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. First thing you need to do is open up your Amazon delivery app or the Amazon Flex app. Now here you have two options. If you are new, you can create an account, but if you already have an Amazon account, you can just tap on sign in with Amazon. And here you are just going to enter your email that is linked with your Amazon account and simply enter your password. Now, if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on forgot password and it will help you recover your account. So if you are already a customer, just enter your email or phone number, click on continue, and Amazon will send you a reset link on your email. You have to note that you need to change the password of your entire Amazon account, and it will also include your Prime Video and other Amazon services as well. So once you do that, you can simply log into your account from here and then you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.